Welcome to our video on the impact of the South African Reserve Bank's interest rate hike on consumers. In this video, we will delve into how the recent rate hikes by the Reserve Bank have affected individuals and households across South Africa. We'll explore the implications on borrowing costs, disposable income, inflation, and the purchasing power of the middle class. If you are new to the channel, subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Also see the description box for our amazing offers and more information. Let's begin. The South African Reserve Bank has been implementing a series of interest rate hikes since November 2021, aiming to manage inflation and stabilize the economy. These rate increases have had significant repercussions for consumers throughout the country. Let's examine some of the key effects. Borrowing costs. The interest rate hike directly affects borrowing costs for individuals and businesses. As interest rates rise, the cost of loans and credit facilities, such as mortgages, personal loans, and credit cards, also increases. This means that consumers will have to pay higher interest charges on their existing loans and face higher borrowing costs for new loans. Disposable income. With higher borrowing costs, consumers experience a decline in their disposable income. As more of their income goes towards servicing debt, they have less money available for discretionary spending, savings, and investments. This can have a direct impact on the purchasing power of consumers and their ability to meet financial obligations. Inflation. The interest rate hikes by the South African Reserve Bank are aimed at curbing inflationary pressures in the economy. By increasing the cost of borrowing, the Reserve Bank aims to reduce spending and manage demand. This, in turn, helps to control inflation. However, rising interest rates can also contribute to higher inflation expectations, as businesses may pass on increased borrowing costs to consumers through higher prices for goods and services. Middle class impact. The middle class in South Africa, already facing financial challenges, bears the brunt of the interest rate hikes. As the cost of living rises and disposable income declines, middle class individuals and families may feel an additional strain on their finances. This can lead to reduced spending on non-essential items, decreased consumer confidence, and a potential slowdown in economic growth. Economic growth. The Reserve Bank's interest rate decisions play a crucial role in shaping the overall economic landscape. While the rate hikes aim to control inflation, they can also impact economic growth. Higher interest rates can reduce business investments, limit job creation, and hinder economic expansion. Balancing the need for price stability with sustainable economic growth is a delicate task for the Reserve Bank. In conclusion, the South African Reserve Bank's interest rate hikes have significant implications for consumers. The increase in borrowing costs, reduced disposable income, potential inflationary pressures, and the strain on the middle class highlight the challenges faced by individuals and households. It is crucial for consumers to be aware of these effects and plan their finances accordingly. Stay informed about the latest developments in the South African economy to navigate these changes effectively. Thank you for watching our video on the impact of the South African Reserve Bank's interest rate hike on consumers. If you found this information valuable, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.